Hello, everybody. This is Jason, and today I have used references for the Tesla Cybertruck. So, first, I used numpad 1 and then numpad 3, I believe, and then numpad 7. No, actually, that was for the last one. Um, but I continue to use Y for the rear end. I had to turn off the front, which was this one, but I used front and rear for the Y. As you can see, this is the Tesla Cybertruck, and this clearly is in wireframe mode. If you use solid mode, it's quite a different story. This is just the first stage, and then I don't think that I turned on clipping, but either way, I think that it looks good. Yeah, I forgot to turn on clipping, but that's okay. I don't mind. Um, so if we go to rendered mode looks beautiful. Um, it looks even more beautiful if you go to this mode. Um, turn on scene lights and scene world. Turn on this thingy. Uh, my favorite color is red, so it's got to be either this one or this one. I'll go with this one. Um, so this thing is huge from what you can see. It's taller than it is longer. And then go to object mode. Go to where's rendering? Rendering. No, let's go to shading. Let's go to sculpting. Let's go to modeling. Yeah. So let's go back to wireframe mode. And what you are seeing is so how I did it was for the Tesla truck, the Cybertruck. Hold on. So I pressed Y. I made sure the tires were the maximum width because for a truck it's usually what it is. And I did the same for the back, and then I did the same for the top view, and then I did the same even for the side. Yeah. So length to length, no matter if the bumper is covering it or not, that's very important. The height is especially important. Anyways, this is enough for this part one. I might do a part two, I'm not too sure. Have a great one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.